Yeah, it's your collar. You look in your collar?
Renoir, welcome home. What do you got there? You want a bone? You taking your collar? What's that you got there? Huh? Thank you. What's that you got there? Oh, yeah.
Wow.
What's that you got there? What's that? What's that you got there?
Hey, buddy. Hey. Big guy.
Renoir's finally home.
Yeah. Thank you. You want to put it on? Is that why he's giving it to us?
You want to go out for a walk? He is so adorable. Oh my goodness, he's adorable. Go explore, Renoir. Go explore your new home, okay?